The path of love is life-changing. It's something you don't want to just dismiss and not do. It's something you've got to take up and just embrace and go in just not knowing.
It's a brave, dynamic process where you are held so incredibly by the staff and by the environment, and you are given the opportunity to be able to dive deep and expose and expand yourself.
This process is really life-changing, amazing, and incredible.
It is such a beautiful process. Everyone is there for you. I felt very held. I'm just leaving with a full heart and a renewed passion for life.
Do it. Just do it. The path of love. You just got to do it. You have to experience it. Don't be afraid. Don't let fear hold you back. Just step into something new and beautiful.
It's an extremely deep process where you are held all of the way, and you can really reach down to those, very dark places inside, but it's often those places that, harbour I think the true gifts of our being, and it's the fact that you have those guides there, and you do come out of it feeling open and trusting.
The Path of Love experience is profound, challenging, deep, and just full of love and support. Yeah, you're held really beautifully. You should do it.